Adelchi, tell me, as we've been talking about Deister Machine Company, I was really interested to know why you feel that Deister Machine Company makes the best aggregate sizing equipment.
I'm not only feeling, as seeing, because I tried dozens of different manufacturers, and Deister machine, due to the way it's built, Deister machine can perform much better than any other machine on the market. Deister machine is built like a battle tank. It's built to perform. It's not built to sell to aggregate producer that feel that they should buy the cheapest equipment available to produce some rock. That is not Deister build a machine that perform years in, years out, and perform for a lifetime, 20, 30, 40 years. That is what I see.
And you've been involved in this for a long time.
Oh, since 1961, in Africa, in Asia, everywhere. I spent 40 years in Asia, Southeast Asia.
Well, what is it about Deister equipment that makes it do that?
Deister, in my opinion, is maybe the only manufacturer who really understand what is vibration, and they make fully use of this vibration. Vibration is a destructive force. Anything that vibrates sooner or later will self-destruct. Vibration, think of earthquake, just pull down everything. But vibration, if you understand what it's all about, and if you can harness the energy of vibration, well, vibration is the only method to separate unsorted bulk material into different specific sizes. You don't have any other method unless you count grain one by one, which is impossible. But vibration is the only method that is used for sorting unsorted bulk material. Now, vibration being a destructive force, if the machine that vibrates is not built to the standard of vibration that you require to do the product, to do the production that you want, you end up breaking the machine apart. So what Deister do, they build a machine that is much heavier in construction, bigger bearing, bigger in everything, to be able to withstand the higher forces caused by a higher vibration. Deister machine vibrates twice as much as the nearest competitor. Have a movement vibration which is twice as much as the nearest competitor. Now
what does that do for throughput?
Oh, double the throughput and improve the efficiency. The material that comes out on the end of a screen of a Deister is much better sorted than material that comes out from a competitor machine, a machine built by a competitor.
And you've seen this over and over?
Everywhere. And it's very simple to find out. Check at the end of the screen what comes out on each deck, and you see whether there is any undersize into the product, and you know that the machine is not efficient. On the Deister machine you get, you get 4-5% of undersize into the product. No more than that. In Southeast Asia, as I'm used to, and I've seen machine built in England, built in Austria, in Germany, they are operating in Southeast Asia, operating in Middle East, you got 20% undersize into the product. And 20% undersize into the product, if the standard is applied, the final customer, the customer who purchase the product from the supplier, from the quarry operator, if applies the standard, the existing standard, they will reject the material. But then people plays around with a little bit of money here and there, under the table, and material pass. But it is not a way to work.
So what would you say the bottom line is?
Bottom line is that by using a more efficient vibrating machine, you might have to spend just a little bit more money, initial investment. But that machine will last twice as long any other machine on the market, and will produce twice as much rate of production. In other words, each hour will produce up to twice as much any other machine of the same size.